using the property of the determinant, prove following result. First example is prove that value of the determinant 1 x x square 1 x x square 1 equal to, we have to prove 1 minus x cube square. So let us prove this. We will prove LHS equal to RHS. Solution. LHS 1 x x square 1 x x square 1 x square 1 and x square 1. Now you observe the elements. If we multiply this column by minus x square and add in the corresponding entries of first column, that is, if we perform C1 to C1 minus x square C2, that means multiplied column 2 by minus x square, add in the corresponding entries of first column, then here it will be 1 minus x cube. If we multiplied this by minus x square, add here. Similarly, x square minus x square, here it will be 0 and here it will be x minus x raised to 4. So simplification will be, this will be 1 minus x cube, our first column will be, and if we take x common, 1 minus x cube. So if we perform this operation, then new column, first column, it will be 1 minus x cube 0 and x minus 1 minus x cube. So you can observe from first column we can take 1 minus x cube common, which is as a one factor on right hand side. After this we will perform C2 to C2 minus x square into C3. So multiply this by minus x square and add in the corresponding entries of second column. So new second column, it will be x minus x raised to 4. So here simplification it will be, if we take x common, 1 minus x cube. So here x into 1 minus x cube. Here it will be 1 minus x cube. Multiplied this by minus x square and add here. So 1 minus x cube. And here x square minus x square, so 0. So due to this operation, from second column we can also take 1 minus x cube. So outside there will be 1 minus x cube into 1 minus x cube. So there will be 1 minus x cube square. So now let us take 1 minus x cube common from first and second column 2 times. So outside there will be a square 1 0 x 1 0 x square x 1. So we have taken 1 minus x cube common. So symbolically we denote C1 to 1 upon 1 minus x cube C1 and C2 to 1 upon 1 minus x cube into C2. Now we can expand this determinant. So 1 minus x cube 1 into 1 x 0 1 minus x into 0 x x 1 plus x square into 0 1 x 0. So this is expansion using first row. Now final simplification is 1 minus x cube whole square. This is 1 minus 0 1 minus x into 0 minus x square plus x square into 0 minus x. Now simplification 1 minus x cube whole square 1 minus minus plus x cube minus x cube. So you can observe simplification, it is 1 minus x cube square, that is RHS. So two important operations are first C1 to C1 minus x square C2, second column multiplied by minus x square, add in the corresponding entries of the first column, and after it you perform C2 to C2 minus x square C3, C2 minus x square C3. So due to these two operations, from first column and second column we can take 1 minus x cube common, and then you can expand the determinant. Second example, prove that 1 plus a square minus b square 2ab 2b 2ab 1 minus a square plus b square. You observe the entries of the determinant and on the same time you observe right hand side, so you will get idea about the row or column operation. Minus 2b 2a 1 minus a square minus b square. We have to prove value of this determinant equal to 1 plus a square plus b square. Cube. So again we will prove LHS equal to RHS. Sorry, let us prove LHS equal to RHS. So LHS 1 plus a square Now, when we observe the entries of the determinant, immediately you will get idea about the operation. Check this one. Here, if we multiplied this entry by minus b, add here. So, if we multiplied this by minus b and when we add here plus 2ab minus 2ab, it will be 0. So from first column we will able to take 1 plus a square plus b square common. So this operation is c1 to c1 minus b c3. Third column multiplied by minus b, add in the corresponding entries of first column. So here 1 plus a square minus b square, multiplied this by minus b, so minus minus plus, so 2b square. Here 2ab minus 2ab, multiplied this by minus b, add here. Here it will be 2b. When we multiplied this by minus b and add in the corresponding entries of first column, so minus b minus minus plus a square b plus b cube. So we have performed c1 to c1 minus b c3. So when we simplify this column, from first column we will able to take 1 plus a square plus b square common, and after this multiplied this by a. Now multiplied this by a, easily you can observe, if we multiplied this by a and add here, so 2ab minus 2ab, it will be 0. So now we perform c2 to c2 minus c2 plus c2 to c2 plus a c3. So third column multiplied by a, add here, so new entry it will be 2ab minus 2ab, 1 minus a square plus b square plus 2a square, and here it will be minus 2a. When we multiplied this by a, so plus a minus a cube minus ab square. We have performed this c2 to c2 plus a times c3, and this process is not unique. On the same time we can also use row operation. Now third column as it is, minus 2b minus 2b 2a 1 minus a square minus b square. So now simplification is, so when we simplify, this is 1 plus a square plus b square, this entry is 0. From 0 we can take anything common. Here 2b minus b, that is b, and if we take b common, into bracket there will be 1 plus a square plus b square. So now you can observe, from first column we can take 1 plus a square plus b square common. Here 0, 1 plus a square plus b square. Here simplification minus a, if we take minus a common, into bracket 1 plus a square plus b square. So now you can observe, from first and second column we can take 1 plus a square plus b square common. So this is minus 2b 2a. So now let us take 1 plus a square plus b square common from first and second column respectively. So outside there will be a 2 times, so it will be a 1 plus a square plus b square raised to 2. So now we take 1 plus a square plus b square common from first and second column. So outside there will be square, 1 0 b 0 1 minus a 2b 2a 1 minus a square minus b square. Now symbolically we denote this. From first column we have taken 1 plus a square plus b square common. So C12 1 upon 1 plus a square plus b square into C1. Similarly C22 1 upon 1 plus a square plus b square C2. Now let us expand this determinant. So 1 plus a square plus b square, now 1 into 1 2a minus a, second entry is 0, so no need to check that, minus 2b into 2 by 2 determinant 0 1 b minus a. So this is expansion using first row. Now further simplification is 1 plus a square plus b square 1 into 1 minus a square minus b square minus minus plus 2a square minus 2b into 0 minus b. And further simplification is 1 plus a square, this is 1 minus b square plus a square and minus minus plus 2b square. So this is nothing but 1 plus a square plus b square into 1 plus a square plus b square. So final answer it is our right hand side 1 plus a square plus b square cube, that is RHS. So again two important operations are, this is C12 C1 minus b C3 and C22 C2 plus a C3. So due to these two operations from first and second column we can take 1 plus a square plus b square common. After it we have expanded determinant using first row and we have proved the result. Third example, prove that a square plus 1 AB AC AB b square plus 1 CB or BC AC BC and C square plus 1 equal to 1 plus a square plus b square C square. So in the solution we will prove LHS equal to RHS. So LHS a square plus 1 ABAC ABB square plus 1 BC CA or AC BC and C square plus 1. Now here we will use simple trick. First one is the unit element for multiplication. So here multiplied by 1, that is ABC upon ABC. So you can observe it is 1. Now this A we multiplied by first row. So we perform R12 A time R1. First row is multiplied. First row we will multiply it by A. Second row we will multiply it by B. Third row we will multiply it by C. And after it we will take ABC common from column. First you multiplied ABC respectively first row, second row and third row, and after it from first column, second column and third column we will take ABC common. So inside each element will be containing square R2 to B time R2, R3 to C time R3. So here you check this one 1 upon ABC. Now first row is multiplied by A. So this is A cube plus A square B, A square C. So first row is multiplied by A. Second row multiplied by B, AB square, B cube plus B, B square C. Second column is multiplied by C. So AC square, BC square, C cube plus C. Now multiply first, second and third row by A, B and C respectively, and then from the column you can observe from this column we can take A common, from this column we can take B common, from third column. So when we take ABC common from column respectively, then outside there will be ABC upon ABC. Inside entry will contain, each entry will contain square. Say here when we take A common, so 1 plus A square. Here take A common, B square. Here when we take A common, C square. So you can observe 1 plus A square, B square, C square, which is the entry which we want on right hand side, 1 plus A square. Now from second column, here when we take ABC common it will be cancelled. Second column we have taken B common. So this is A square, 1 plus B square, C square. Third column we have taken C common. So this is A square, B square, 1 plus C square. So C1 to 1 upon A of C1. From first column take A common. From second column take B common. So C2 to 1 upon B C2. From third column take C common. So this is the symbolical notation to represent this process. Now multiplied first and second row by 1 and add in the corresponding entries of first row. So now we perform R1 to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So this is now R1 to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. Here also 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square, 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. So you can observe due to this operation we can take 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square common from first row. Once we take common we can think about remaining operations. So B square 1 plus B square, B square, C square, C square 1 plus C square. Now let us take 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square common. Always put bracket outside. 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. So inside there will be 1, 1, 1. Symbolically we will represent this by taking S1 plus A square plus B square plus C square common from first row. This is the notation to denote it. b square, 1 plus b square, c square, 1 plus c square. So only important trick is this one. First multiplied ABC upon ABC, first row, second row and third row is multiplied by A, B and C respectively, and after it you take A, B, C common from first, second and third column respectively. Now multiplied this by -1, add here. So, and after it multiplied this by -1, add here. So this is as it is, 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. First column as it is, 1 b square c square. Now multiplied this by -1, add here. So 1 minus 1, 0. B square minus 1 plus b square minus 1. Here it will be 1. So we have performed C3 to C3 minus C2. After it, C2 to C2 minus C1. So now multiplied this by -1, add here. So 1 minus 1, 0. 1 plus b square minus b square, c square minus c square, 0. Now in first row, since two entries are 0, so let us expand using first row. So expansion is 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, 1 into 2 by 2 determined, 1 into 2 by 2 determined, 1 minus 1, 0, 1, and remaining two entries are 0, so no need to check the expansion. So final answer is 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, 1 into 1 minus 0. So again this is nothing but 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, that is our RHS. So we have proved using the properties of the determinant. Next example is let A be a square matrix of order 3 by 3. Let A be a square matrix of order 3 by 3. Then find the value of k time A, determinant of matrix k time A. This is determinant of matrix k time A. So solution, it is very easy. We have given A is any 3 by 3 square matrix. So we suppose A equal to, we take any 3 by 3 matrix, A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. So what is determinant? This is not modulus, but determinant A equal to A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. This is determinant A. Now k time matrix A. So each entry of matrix A is multiplied by k. So this is KA1, KB1, KC1, KA2, KB2, KC2, KA3, KB3 and KC3. Now when we make its determinant of k time A, now determinant of this matrix, so KA1, KB1, KC1, KA2, KB2, KC2, KA3, KB3 and KC3. Now you can observe from first column or from first row, second row and third row we take K common. So outside there will be K cube. Due to this operation we take K common from first row, we take K common from second row and we can take K common from third row. On the same time you can also take common from the column, it is one of the same. So inside there will be a determinant A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3, and you can observe this is nothing but determinant A. So value of determinant of K time A equal to K cube determinant A. So for a 3 by 3 square matrix A, value of K time determinant A, K into A, matrix determinant of matrix K into A equal to K cube determinant A. So if you take 4 by 4 square matrix, then outside there will be K raised to 4. If you take 2 by 2 square matrix A, then outside there will be K square. For 3 by 3 K cube. For 4 by 4 K raised to 4, because in 4 by 4 matrix there are 4 rows. So if you take K common 4 times, so outside there will be K raised to 4. So similarly you can interpret it for 5 by 5 matrix, 6 by 6 matrix and so on. So next time we will discuss more properties.